Welcome to What is Artificial Intelligence? A Beginner's Guide. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines that can perform tasks that require human intelligence. AI is all around us, from the personal assistants on our smartphones to the recommendation algorithms on streaming platforms. At its core, AI relies on two key concepts: machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a technique where machines learn from data, improving their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks, which are designed to mimic the structure and function of the human brain. AI has a wide range of applications. It can be found in self-driving cars, healthcare diagnosis, virtual assistants, and even in predicting the weather. By analyzing massive amounts of data, AI can provide insights and predictions that can help businesses make informed decisions and solve complex problems. However, with great power comes great responsibility. AI also raises ethical concerns, such as privacy, bias, and job displacement. As AI continues to advance, it is crucial for society to actively participate in discussions and set guidelines to ensure its responsible and ethical use. Thanks for watching What is Artificial Intelligence? A Beginner's Guide. We hope this video has given you a basic understanding of AI and its applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel